Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to forget a network on Windows 10. So let's begin the video. Click on the Start menu and then go to Settings. Now from here, click on Network and Internet. From the left sidebar, click on Wi-Fi. Now from here, click Manage Known Networks. You will see a list of all saved networks in your computer. Now find the network you want to remove. Then click on the Forget button. So there you have it. So that's it. Your PC will no longer auto-connect to that network. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.